Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create both of these text animations using CapCut on PC. First, we'll import any background video or image we want to use. Then, we'll add a new text layer. Type in your text, whatever you want to display. Next, adjust the size to fit your scene and add a little shadow for a nice touch. Now, right-click on the text layer and select Make Compound Clip. At the beginning of this clip, we'll add a transform keyframe. Then, after a few frames, we'll add another keyframe. Select the first keyframe and move the Y position to around -100. On the second keyframe, right-click and choose any preset that looks good to you. Next, we'll apply a mask to this clip. Click on Add Mask, then choose the film strip option. Rotate the mask and move it to cover the first word of your text. Adjust it carefully so it matches the shape of your text. Now, duplicate this layer by pressing Alt and dragging it up. Place the duplicate right after the first layer's fade-in animation. Then, go into the mask of this second layer and adjust it according to your second text. Do the same for the remaining words. And there you go. Our first slide-up text animation is ready. Now, let's move on to the second one, the motion text animation. Again, create a new text layer and type your text. Adjust the size, pick a color you like, and add a little shadow. Then go to the Animation tab and choose Bounce Left. Increase the duration a bit, and boom! Our second animation is ready too. To make it even cooler, right-click and make it a compound clip. Then add some motion blur. You can copy my motion blur settings or tweak them however you like. And finally, here's how the finished animation looks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe because I've got a lot more tutorials coming up that'll help you take your edits to the next level.